In this video, we are going to talk about some useful words and expressions for describing someone or something pretty. Let's begin.
I saw a comely girl in the garden.
If you describe a woman as comely, you mean she is pleasant to look at.
I watched Emma dance with her well-favored boyfriend the other day.
A well-favored man is good-looking.
What do you think of my bridesmaid?
She's absolutely gorgeous.
If you describe someone as gorgeous, you mean this person is very beautiful.
Susan is a bonny lass of 18.
Someone who is bonny is pretty and healthy.
Mary is a stunning gymnast.
A stunning person is extremely beautiful or impressive.
There was this girl, and I thought she was really cute.
If you describe someone as cute, you think this person is sexually attractive. Susan looks smart and groomed, not a hair out of place.
You can use not a hair out of place to describe someone who has a perfect appearance.
Bradley looks like $1 million in his new suit.
When you say someone looks like $1 million, you mean this person looks attractive and healthy.
You look very fetching in that hat.
If you look fetching, you look very attractive, especially because the clothes you are wearing suit you.
She cut quite a dash in her uniform.
If someone cuts a dash, this person looks attractive and impressive in particular clothes.
Her short hairstyle is very becoming.
A piece of clothing, a color, or a hairstyle that is becoming makes the person who is wearing it look attractive. She was dressed to kill for the party.
If you are dressed to kill, you are wearing attractive clothes so that everyone else notices and admires you.
Her beauty was breathtaking.
If you say that something is breathtaking, you are emphasizing that it is highly impressive. Her wedding dress is absolutely exquisite.
If you describe something as exquisite, you mean it is extremely beautiful or carefully made.
Her dance is out of this world.
If you say that something is out of this world, you are emphasizing that it is absolutely wonderful or impressive.